Good afternoon, everyone. From today onwards, we will be starting chapter number 14, Statistic. You already have learned this chapter in standard 9. The first topic of this chapter is mean. In mean, there are three methods: direct mean method, assumed mean method, and step deviation method. We will be starting from direct mean method. We will be starting first method, that is direct mean method. I have solved one example for you. The question of this example will be sent by pic from the textbook. The question for the solved example is this: a survey was there, so a table is given, that is number of plants and number of houses. So you have class and frequency. In all the tables of this chapter there will be class and frequency given. So number of plants, that is our table consists of number of plants, xi, that is class mark, fi, that is frequency, and fi xi, the multiplication of fi and xi. In the question, number of plants and frequency is given. First of all, you will have to find xi. So xi can be found by the following formula. The xi is equal to upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Two examples I have solved for you. That is lower limit plus upper limit, that is 0 plus 2 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. So xi will be 1. For this class, so 2 plus 4 upon 2, that is 2 plus 4 6 upon 2, that is 3. Similarly, all these xi you can find out. Now you have xi, fi is already given, so you can find fi xi. Fi xi means product of fi and xi, that is 1 into 1 1, 3 into 2 6, 5 into 1 5, 7 into 5 35, 9 into 6 54, and so on. Now the formula for direct mean method is x bar is equal to sigma fi xi. Sigma means summation of fi xi upon sigma fi. So from the table we have sigma fi xi, that is we will add all these numbers and get the answer of sigma fi xi. Similarly, upon sigma fi is there, so all the frequencies are to be added and we will get the answer sigma fi is equal to 20. Now we simply have to put down these values in the formula. Sigma fi xi was 162 upon sigma fi is equal to 20. So by solving these we will get x bar is equal to 8.1.